when we look at all of the different things out there that cause carbon emissions, the transportation sector is a good example, industry. There's a whole agriculture industry, of course, is an industry that really does produce a lot of greenhouse gas emissions. When you look at what it costs in these other areas of our economy to reduce greenhouse gases, you can get the most reductions in greenhouse gases for the least amount of money in the building sector. So the building sector happens to be an area where we can very cost effectively reduce greenhouse gas emissions. There's sort of a synergistic effect of what happens when you do a high performance building that's resilient, because not only are you in many ways creating something that's safer, healthier, and creating less greenhouse gas emissions, but because the building uses less energy and it is more durable, it's going to cost less to operate and maintain, which means that if it's something like housing, it's going to be more affordable because the overheads to maintain it are less. You have a higher quality of life in those buildings. In other words, the actual quality of the space is higher, and people will have a better appreciation of their space. They will enjoy it more. So there's a whole social dimension to it. So the thing about buildings is that they have a social dimension, an economic dimension, and an environmental dimension. And high performance buildings are something that really does impact all of those positively. In other words, it really enhances the environmental and social and economic benefits, probably more so than any other type of a technology improvement that we have in our society.